Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a fundamentally strong small cap where Radhakishan Damani has bought up to 41 lakhs 34,896 shares, aggregating to a 1.53% stake during the last quarter. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Delta Corp Limited, which is also a favorite of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. The stock is currently trading at Rs 187.35 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is DELTACORP. Now Delta Corp Limited is a holding company engaged in the operation of casinos. Its segments include real estate, gaming, hospitality and others. The company operates its gaming and hospitality business under the Deltin brand and owns approximately 3 casinos in Goa, including Deltin Royale, Deltin JAQK and Deltin Caravella. It also owns approximately 2 hotels, including Deltin Suites and Deltin Palms in Goa. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company was also consolidating for about half of the year, then went into a downtrend. Of late, it is again trying to recover. The market cap of the company is 5,076.03 crores, which means that this company is a borderline stock between a mid cap and a small cap. The EPS of 7.71 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 24.30, which is much more cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 36.37. The price to book ratio of 2.60 is however slightly high. The company has a debt to equity of 0.0400, which is a comfortable number, whereas the return on equity is on the lower side at 0.1090. The company has a dividend yield of 0.67, whereas the promoter holding of 32.77 is placed to the tune of 6.08%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.